Blessings peeps and welcome back to Elite Jamaica. Today guys, we're heading out to a place called Needham Pen in search of the McCourties and Rennie's residences. Those are old residences. They're on a plantation, but it seems that these people had status, so we're heading out to find those and let's hope we find them. Alright. And then after that, we are going down the road that are behind me and we are going to try to find the upper license plantation with the towers and the great house and the water wheel. Yeah man. So now follow me. Watch the intro.
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica.
Wow, that's alright. That's a high tower.
Okay.
Down in the next section,
Yeah.
have a part like house.
Like house and them thing that
Yeah,
them they are like the residential building them
like
we
people
look
used to
for.
live in them part there. So
Okay, me understand. This is
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn.
yeah, no, uncle. Yeah man. Where you see Kenneth?
There ain't no king. Keep on the journey, you see it?
True.
That's it, look for it.
Yeah man. We want to find a place still, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah
We
man.
mission that today,
True. Yeah man. So you have an idea of the place there?
Yeah, man. Look at the way them, man.
Yeah man. Up there, yeah, man.
Right in there. Oh, you alone, I'm going to school. This me not so.
Oh, Wi-Fi. So they must say a be a rat bat in there. We should have bring one back to catch rat bat. Some rat bat in there, that mean it up there.
This man just confirmed it, you know.
Alright.
Rock up. Yeah, man. That's how it goes, man. Well, this is our spot. Well, this is our spot. Needham Pen start, you know.
So we need a pen start.
Yeah, man. Capella
Okay.
down, so we're at the intersection now. Needham Pen, if you see the sign. You understand? That's all.
Okay, true.
Yeah, so. We're big in Needham Pen now.
Okay, peeps, we are the starting of Needham Pen. Alright, that's a community in upper license, upper top hill. You know.
There's no sign. But
No, nothing right upon there. These are the most reliable. Yes, bless.
most reliable means of transportation in Needham Pen.
Come on, big up, man.
Blessed love daddy.
See?
Intelligent every time.
Every time.
Alright, my boss.
Bless.
Banan. Yes.
True.
Small community, farming community.
Yeah.
But we want some more thing in the community. We empty, you know. As you go up, you see how go on.
Without the proper resources, people are going to move out of the community and that go happen.
Yeah.
You know?
Because there is no employment in the community.
Alright, and the little place I might be can't employ everybody from all of the community around the cut.
Man.
You see me? Peep, such a beautiful view over there. Yeah, man.
When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
You love Aki, type Aki in the comment section down below. Yeah, man. On the way to Needham Pen.
Oh, yeah.
And good?
Oh. How close can you get to nature?
How close can I get to nature? Yeah, peeps, so we're on our way to see these structures. In the meantime, getting up the street, you know. In the meantime, I call them the Needham Pen structures. Because I'm not sure what they are as yet. I know that one of them was owned by the McCourties and one was owned by the Rennies. So maybe we can get more information and reach. Alright guys, so get on way. Now follow me. One man of two women. It's a beautiful view. You know. So we're in Needham Pen at the moment. Trust me, my allergies them are the more way, my eye them are burn my peeps. But yeah, I have to find a place there. So yeah, I wait for my uncle and then we're off again for the journey, alright? Yeah man. Now be here with me.
Dante.
So we reached the field. I'm gonna show you on a screenshot where we are. One of the structures should be on the field right here, so I'm gonna look for either depression or a rising of the field. Yeah, but me some buck up on some mosquito down here, and peeps, and I tell me I don't know where them come from underneath the tree down here. So yeah man. So I'm gonna show them the field right now. Let me check this out. Alright. Guys, so there's the field right there. You know. Mosquito. You know, this is the field. I wonder if I would part them build at it there. But yeah, I'm have a look. What is? Copper this? This look like it was a old roller. Yeah, one roller wheel. That's a mechanical parts also. A mosquito yard down here, man. Yeah, peeps, so I'll see if I find any remnants of the first structure. Alright. Yeah guys, so we reached a point where there was a fence. We don't really want to disrespect nobody, like go part on nobody's property. So my uncle will get some information from somebody that knows about the area more. Alright, so yeah man, you follow me because I have to find is a well, I'm hearing now that there is a tower over there. You know, tower like what a windmill would be on. Yeah, so I want to see it. Alright, so come with me.
my best.
Which part of work, brother?
Alright, here where you are. You know, it's a bad boy, right? You know, Christine, right? Straight down, straight as a turning, man. Straight down, man.
So, you know what there is for work?
I be a bush, man. Be a gully.
Mm-hmm.
You see my
No, nothing, man.
I mean, right, one chat there somewhere down there saying.
And that's what we not try to find. But we go down there, go book up on one fence. Some of them know if a Ufa fence, so that's why we not go over it. We know for this. So that's the public service.
Yes, and go down, pass a nanny them plan. And go down and turn up. Whenever I pass to river there,
Two river?
To gully there.
So I pass one little gully one. You depend him up. Remember me ask about one little spring? You depend him up.
And go up in there. Road
A good distance, you know.
Go up in there.
Yeah, man,
Go
come on.
walk round there, so. Run where, run.
Yeah, better walk on the Christine.
Yeah, and just go straight down. Pass a man plant the paper and go straight down.
Pass the Dennis there.
Pass the Dennis. And you go straight down, man.
I'll clear road.
Can't walk, but you got bad boy plant ground round there.
Oh.
So you walk straight.
Yeah, the bad boy plan going. It's all there.
Yeah, man.
So from which part me can stay and see it over?
No, me never really go on a bad boy ground, you know, say the tower there right back there, so.
We in this, you know, a farmer this, you know.
Okay.
Farmer not come up and go. We have pepper.
And do it clear. Yeah.
You know, look around and I shot before we touch the
Oh,
nobody
not there, man. That's this is outside. This is outside. This is what I carry in this. But at least that. So, me. Do there. No, you should come back. You should come back. Yeah. Just walk. Alright.
Blessings, man. You know nobody where you want to shout out?
Everybody will live up in our area.
Alright. Big up. Alright. Blessings.
It's around the road. Yeah? How much tower around there?
Yeah, peeps. So, them say it's a good little distance still. Because we are take the long way where we sure so there's a road. Because we don't want to go across no gully and all of them things there. You know, because, well, as told them I said we can't go across the gully because it bush up. So we take the road. It'll go be longer. But when I know so that me one year. After all, I haven't done any vlogs like this for a while. So I want to give you all value for the time you spend watching. Alright? So, yeah. You know, bear with me. You follow me. Cannot do you know, man. You know? Alright. So, depend on where peeps. Now walk with me. They say the history of the tower never really fascinated nobody, boy. Yeah.
Nobody in the community. You know. Really. Hold on. Copper. A long time I don't see you. Know what go on?
Wild man. Yeah.
What to you?
When I drop a breadfruit can broke my black hole a bit.
Say, man. You know, say tower want to find. In general, they want to find the tower.
You know,
So we should a shorter road. This is a copper, this man know about here now. This man, how much tower around there? One.
Two usual, they round about one flat.
two the side and side, one del one.
Alright.
It's the man,
Okay.
You know
Then that the map show we.
Yeah, man, when you go on that, well, then it's then rough. You want a bad boy then rough?
Yeah.
And you see the road going right now.
To the tower.
Yeah, man.
Okay. I may ask Blacks two questions. First question me I go ask you Blacks as you're on the camera. What you like about the community where you live in? As a matter of fact, what you love about the community where you live in?
A good community, you know, but people them flex away more time and people come in and go on in school.
True.
Yeah.
True.
But a good community.
Alright. I ask you one more question. As I tell you two, I ask you. If there were two things where you could have changed about that community here, what would those two things be?
for the youth then.
Eh?
Something for the youth then.
Yeah, they want something for the youth them like a little play field or
Somebody to represent the youth then.
yeah, some people to come in here and let the people them, the little youth them get something to do and
True, true. That would have been good too.
yeah, man.
For real, man. Well, thank you for your answer them still.
Yeah, man.
Is it me? Real answers. So how the pound way now, is it me?
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
So one of the man shot one of them a piece of the walk along.
You can't watch this, man. You don't put that on. You go on there, so I say, I was Dennis Carey and Christine is gone right now.
They say two of them there.
Yeah, one low one and one tall one.
Oh.
Alright.
And upon the ball field, the lower one there.
No, man.
Side and side. Two of them the one place.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Easy copper.
Yeah,
Big up yourself.
All right.
Big up.
Copper Tola.
Oh,
Aye.
I want more time here, brother.
Yeah, guys, so we're at the Needham Pen Crossroad at the moment. Yeah. Yeah.
Monday this up.
Monday. Big up, man. See? But every man up here have a machine, man.
Yeah, man. As I tell you before, says a farming community.
Okay, true.
I don't know, say with the power where at the copper at the tower we want to find.
Oh. But you know, really do.
Okay. We want to find the tower. I want even heritage where nobody don't know about. Everybody forgot about the thing, nobody don't know. So one tower around it, so we want to highlight it. Part of the slave trade is
Well established in St. Thomas, especially in a top hill.
especially.
Mr. Taylor was one of the richest men in Jamaica and a slavery. He get rich off of 245 slaves, and at one point he go down to 100 because he couldn't bother them weak and he couldn't feed them. So he killed them. That's how we part down a top hill. He only place down a top hill where he usually chain them and them thing there. Near to the copper, isn't it? There are tunnels here where them could have transport them come up from off of the seafront because it's a big place where they used to trade slaves, isn't it?
Yes, teacher.
So that's a go on. So we highlight part of the history.
That tower they down there, so. That one, we want to picture that one up there. So we want to go around that tower.
I don't know exactly where they need it.
No, so around the way.
Yeah, no idea, man.
That's the great thing is a Discovery Channel, so we'll find it still now.
You see when you reach around the song, why it's bad boy trying to do this,
Alright.
go right, before you reach to the tank, you know. That's that. The spice then some fun. Well, this is the crossroad and Needham Pen, you know. So we're going to actually touch the main road where we can find it.
The monument.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah,
blessings.
Yeah, man. Bless
Yeah,
it.
take a bit.
So we're up on a road now where we take a road on the back to go around to the monument. Alright, so yeah man, gonna follow me and show them the road. Alright? Yeah peeps, that's the road going down there. So we're up on here. Peeps, you know, we just accomplished a milestone the other day in getting to 100,000 subscribers. Really want to say a special thank you to all of the persons who have been here from day one, all of the persons who have just came on board, and really want to say thank you to the persons who have been supporting Elite Jamaica, all the persons who motivated me in my time of distress, yeah man, all the persons who donated to Elite Jamaica so that we can be where we are today. Really want to say a big thank you to all of y'all. Alright, and I promise I'll always give you guys quality content for the time you spend watching these videos. All of your shares, all of your likes, every view help the channel so that we can do more videos like these. Alright guys, so blessings, yeah man, for real, we're up on our way. Such beautiful flowers, you know, see that? Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah peeps, so around in the bush now. Don't lock it off. Come hold this. Come on, put it down.
Turn it off back. See the lock off it. Yeah.
Yeah, peeps. I'm telling you, say, all along the phone I film, I just realized how to turn up the quality, the lighting. Guys, remember how the phone normally dark? Yeah, now it change by itself automatically if you realize that. You know, it should have been doing this from the other day. But yeah, we're going around in the bush. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, so we just got off the main. Now we're going down on a little road, you know, a little mud road. Yeah. So I feel like we're going to find it. Because what I really want to find is if you see what they're under so we can know. Exactly, because we're supposed to be finding 2 residential structures. But then I hear say it's a tower. So, one hour, right? Good 1 hour. Type that in the comment section down below. And if you like these videos, guys, you can always like the video. Yeah, peeps. So, yeah, we're going down in the bush now. Yeah, we're supposed to be finding 2 residential structures, but they're saying it's a tower. So, I want to find if you see what's down there. My mother called me, you know. Tell my mother me a film. But my mother decided to call me. So, you know, mommy's got a call. And me have to answer call. Yeah, man. So, welcome back, guys. Yeah, peeps. Kind of scary around here, so. Long time I'm not going to a place like this, you know. You know, I love bush. Yeah, man. So, guys, as me just say, if you like these videos, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, alright? And if you really love these videos, subscribe to the channel. It's the red button. It's free of cost. Yeah, man. So, that's on our way. Farmland 2 side. I know where my uncle left. I think gone left me. So my uncle just got asked somebody the direction to reach the tower and come back. Yeah, man. Big up to the farmer, you know. Look like a pepper. Pepper? Yeah, peeps. Holy pepper, you know. so we're reaching our next farm. I know we can't violate nobody, so my uncle try to get some go ahead first, you know. But I'm so good still. So yeah man, we'll go through. So guys, these are okra. Yeah man, all the okra. So one that part over there, sir.
On that part, that's right. That's I tower.
Okay.
Down in the next section,
Yeah.
have a part like house.
Like house and them thing that
Yeah,
them
man.
they are like the residential building them
like
would
people
look
used to
for.
live in them part there. or something
Okay,
like
me understand. This would be a windmill where them used to generate
Yeah.
the water up on
yeah,
them
based
farm.
upon that.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man. So
Can this video go in?
can that though?
Yeah, can and cucumber.
You know, can and cucumber. Peeps, big up to the farmer. What your name man?
Sapari, Dennis.
Yes, me like that name because them always say bad boy, and them a say bad boy, we part down up a bad boy farm. People good like think say they mean bad boy, you know, like
Yeah, man, we
you know?
understand the whole thing.
Blessings man.
Yeah,
You see me? For real.
Yeah, man.
So
Go to someone and see it, man.
alright.
I'm going there.
Big up, big
Yeah,
up,
man.
big up. Yeah man.
Right one pan side.
Right on Panasade. Alright.
Straight to the-
Yeah?
You can see us one part. You go right one pan back one part there, you can turn in.
Alright.
You can take a picture, video in there.
Alright, respect. Yeah, peeps, so they're on our journey. Can't that no peeps. All the popcorn. Yeah, peeps. You know me like suspense. We find it. So no know some think I want little tower me I go find like the one them we always see. Guys, this is humongous, this big. I'm showing it. But first, I'm showing the surroundings. Now watch this. And look there. Farmland all about. You know them always built on a hill. If you notice you have a gully down there. You see me? So it's a tower for real peeps, and I think it was a windmill tower. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going down them thing there. I'm not going to show you inside on them thing there. So let me show you that. Guys, so you know the gully is down there. There should be houses down there, as the young man said. However, not try still see if we can reach down there because I want to see them. But look at this amazing structure. These are the tower peeps. These are the tower. Type tower in the comment section, guys. Type tower in the comment section, guys, if you got this far in the video. Alright? Yeah, man, we are going to find out what this is all about right now. Yeah, man, no follow me. Eh? Big? Guys, this is big. This is humongous. Yeah. Guys, you remember the ones we found in... Hold a camera for me, Kenneth. Around. Guys, so I don't know if you guys remember the tower we found in Old Pira. That's out in, I think, Port Morant, Old Pira, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, we found a tower in Old Pira. It is a similar it's similar to this, but it's smaller. That one are big, guys, and this was a lighthouse tower just like the one in Old Pira. You know, they made up a big lighthouse up here to generate water come up on them farm and to generate electricity. You know, because we all know that these were lighthouse towers. Alright. This is just the ledge, you know, where them hook the light, the Yembo lighthouse. Sorry guys, not lighthouse, windmill towers, guys. You understand? The windmill to generate the water up on the farm and to generate electricity. Then just each thing the wheel is and spin, isn't it? Yeah, like through yourself, part of the wheel is outside and part in it spin. You understand? So go inside. Careful of hole, isn't it? There's a hole there so the water out of it. When the windmill spin, How them there? Have some bad lizard a bush. How are them?
Oh, man, oh, yeah, some man.
Pigs, so I know I'm stay already, you know. When I'm not taking a check with wild things, you know. Anyway, this should have been in here so they have a hole. I dump it down up in here, isn't it? You notice? The wheel spin, is it? I don't call it a water wheel, I call it a windmill because it actually was a windmill. We use breeze to generate the water up on them farm. You understand? It's different from a water wheel. And them have them, all of them look out part where the water come out through and them thing. Isn't it? But guys, this is really a fantastic find. It's weak now still as you notice, you know. You see that? Weak, you know. You can drop down any time, you know. You know? Yeah, peeps. This is really a fantastic find. Like, this is a great find. We have to come up before it drop down.
No, but I'm not saying it's a 1 out of many.
Mm-hmm. Trust me. You see if you're in something like this when it drop down, you go down in a history. Literally, go down in a history. So them place the peeps. Weak now, you know. Subscribe to Elite Jamaica if you love these videos, if you enjoy these videos. Amazing find. Type that in the comment section down below if that's true. Such a magnificent tower. You know them have construction also. This are the like all the next door the there so it broke down here. Cause when that broke down I saw it I go look, you know. Cause it a cave in for itself, you know, isn't it? No. Dwelling down there flat. Yeah. That you want to find. What if I dwelling now? Him say down from the flat.
No. Down there, sir.
A wall that down there, sir? Or a tree? Or a tree? On a wall.
Our journey. That was the windmill.
That was the windmill. Yeah. That generate the water and generate the power, isn't it? Then generate water from down in the gully to come up. Them couldn't have a water wheel up here, them have to have a windmill. So because the windmill generate more power because you see the breeze that them have. You notice how the breeze are blow? Aye. Guys, you notice? Check out the bamboo them how them are swaying at the wind. Alright, so it was easier to have a windmill to generate power up here. Alright. And then the river down here so never always that big neither. Never big yet. Always a little trickle. Carry some rum for the ancestors. You never know so how it feel or how it big. It's a magnificent feeling, yo. Alright.
So about
when the tower they would have built.
I thought they would have built boy in the 1600s still, you know. Because remember, so at them time, not for them thing are there from British and they come at themselves, come build up them thing, and is it? Not for them thing are built now because them have them house now. Remember, so them there when them buy slave, they never send the slave, then come here first, you know. Then they live here, and then them order slave. You understand? So you can know the one them with them build different. Although them have slaves still, but not the slave them we would refer to. You see me? They would have one and two of them bring with them. Servants them call them. Yeah, peeps, thank you for watching this premiere. And if you're catching this on the premiere, type premiere in the chat right now. If you're watching this on the video, type video in the comment section down below. And thank you all for watching. When you follow me on my journey, let me show you what I accomplish again. Alright? Guys, the tower, that was a magnificent find. If you don't believe that was one of our great finds, type that in the comment section down below. Alright, so we're going to look for the house them now and see what we can find. Alright? Yeah, man. Can it find it? We find one of the house them. Yeah, so I go down there now. You might find the things them, you know, peeps. You type Kenneth in the comment section down below. Alright, you might find the things them. I show you that tree a biggie, man. Let me show you that tree, peeps. This big, yo. Let's look on that tree, the peeps. Big like, whoa. Alright, so Uncle Sam find the structure them. Yo. Yeah, peeps. We'll find it. And you know what the greatest thing now, peeps, when we realize just as we reach, this wasn't a residential structure, this was a works yard. Just like how we find a Gabranal, peeps. You know, type excited in the comment section down below if you don't know me excited now. You know, look here. That over here. Back up there. This was a works yard, guys. Not a residential complex. And the mosquito them down here work. This one is rather huge. Type rather huge in the comment section down below. Hashtag rather huge. Mosquito them bad. Jeez. The mosquito is a maga. I never have a problem with mosquito before in my life. Come like the money up and know me. I always say mosquito no bite at the money a block.
So, what do you think this building was?
It works, yeah. Alright guys, so this wasn't a, like what we think, a residential structure, unless this was a great house. I mean, not see this has been a great house yet. I don't know what this was yet. Now walk around, guys, and see if we can find any evidence as to what this was. If it's a residential structure and then one more there, that means that them people are the rich. That's why they will have such a big windmill up there. So. Otherwise from that, they had this windmill up there, so big because they had a big plantation and this was the works yard for the slaves. It's one of those theories. We're going to figure out which one of them correct, alright? So, let's go walk around. I'm going to follow them. Look out the wall, you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
You're not in one of them side.
No. Come on.
Yeah, guys, so the first thing I figure out where I'm going to because it's old, you know.
Yeah.
This is really old, guys. This I think, I don't know how old this is, but this older than the 1800s and the 1700s. You can see that. You know, this is rather old. This is just like the one we found in Gabranal, you know. Yeah, guys, this is just like the one we found in Gabranal. Rather huge. So this is one end of the structure right here. Now we'll go around this so still and go see what I go on. But this is stone, guys, not bricks. This is stone, rocks. So this would be McCourties. So me tell you, Kenneth, when me tell you say them people here will live here are not really rare, but it's like them rich and them have them house. But me still not see if it's a house or not, because you have ways to identify if it's a house, And me not see where it's a house. It look like it's split up like a works yard, yo. Me not see no door arch or nothing like that, no fancy arch. None of them thing there, is it? Guys, another fantastic find and another fantastic day, another fantastic journey. Type hashtag rather huge in the comment section down below. Alright, yeah man. This is a works yard, guys. This is not a residential complex. If you want to remember the greatest find, great discovery in Gabranal St. Thomas, check out that video, guys, and y'all will see what I'm referring to. This is a works yard. Is that the weapon them would have the water wheel, man, isn't it? A works yard, man. Them have a spillway and a water wheel. Alright, watch ya. You realize a concrete that, a stone that comes, like one gutter.
Well, we don't find it. Go
down, yeah man, go down. Because me know this was a works yard. At the water house, this, Because the windmill up there, Remember, This is just a collection for water. All them people did, like them did rich in have a pool and them thing there, It could be, But look, guys, we're down inside of the building now, right? That would be one window of the building there. Because you can see say dumping. You see me? Because the building is lower in there, you see me? You understand?
The building is lower?
No, the ground. It dump up. Most of the stone them off of the building, the inside of the building now. It cave in upon itself.
Yeah.
You understand? So you notice the door and the window them are on a different level, is it? Yeah. So we're inside of the structure now, guys. I see some door here, but I don't see no. At least, because it's so old, maybe we wouldn't see the fancy arch them or the curved arch them. But this does not. I see a little brick over there, so. Like it did renovate back in the 1700s. Somebody take it over and renovate it, which always happen to most of those locations that we find. But that whole end of the middle, the water place, I don't know what this for. I'm not sure what this is about. So this would be McCourties. And the next one would be Rennie's. So we have to go find the Rennie's to see if the Rennie's look like this, then we know say are the two house. And them just did do something we don't know about. But we can't understand why them did have a hole in the middle of the house. Easy, man. There's another part of it, guys. I don't know why they would have a big house, a big hole in the middle of them house, so. It's a piece of the wall that drop down. So you see anytime the wall them drop down, I saw them cave in there, isn't it? Yeah, man. So guys, we're moving on and see if we can find the other structure. What that, iron? Let me tell you all. Hold on. Let me see if I water with you. Peace out. It's one pot. No. I don't know about this. Guys, a piece of metal, yeah. Can kind of chop with that. A piece of metal that I want to use. That. Metal that? You have some building what them call the water mill, where them do all of the water work in it. You understand? That's why I keep on wonder if it's a water mill there, so if it's a water mill, and then you have a stick. Okay. If this was a water mill, it's a piece of metal still, you know.
Concrete.
I know concrete, man, a metal, man. Metal, thick metal. Them metal, them copper, them metal, them use back then. You alone can't lift up that. If this was the water mill, then it would have really show so them people would have a whole lot of money. But I could see the next house and see if the next house is a residential structure, is it? I'm a yard mosquito a while ago, you know. Metal, man. Metal. What that all about? I don't know. Big piece of metal, no?
What is your plan?
That more I know now. Nothing right on it though. Thick now. Where is he? Oh, I think you say hold on. Lead the way. Yeah.
Alright, so you said this was, you don't even know if it's...
I don't know because this don't be like a house.
Area.
It don't be like a house.
It's a holding
It
area.
could be a whole, the whole, yeah?
No, holding
The whole
area
place.
for
It could be a holding area.
And the water
a
would
works yard.
And the water would have...
The water, I don't know the water would have be for. You see me? You understand? But it don't look like a residential house. It not set up like a residential house. You understand? No way set up like a residential house. Guys, let me know in the comment section if I'm correct in what I'm saying. This not look like a residential house. It look more like industrial type building than residential. Well, that's just my opinion still. As from our experiences here in Elite Jamaica, you know. You have a next piece down here, still now have nothing to look like a house, none at all. And that's not the next house. The next house is across. And we always find one, we always can't find one, you know. Because some of them people, they make sure them destroy some of the things so we can't really trace the history certain ways, you know. The next piece, I don't know what this is. I swear. This was not like this always. You know, I do away the day here, but it actually like somebody chip it out. You know. You sure we can reach the next one? That. Back of the building. You find one more around there, sir? And next piece of wall? Okay, now come. Oh, this is the outer wall.
The building. This is yo, it's a big bro.
It's a big works yard. It's a works yard, man. Same like I same thing like Gabranal.
Eh?
I same thing like Gabranal. Them good leader of all a tower. To a good leader, watch you know?
Yeah.
No man. Yo, you see the hole inside of the building?
Yeah.
A good like, entrance to one of the cave there, the tunnel them, you know.
Okay.
It could be the entrance to the tunnel because remember, so the middle of the tunnel they go back down, so you know.
Yeah.
And up to it could be a lead go up there, so you know. Up at the windmill, you know, cause one wall in the middle of the windmill, you know. Remember, I know saying at the middle of the windmill dump up, you know. Is it? So it could be a tunnel. Could be one of the tunnel them. So our next wall right here, so. Our next piece of building. It look like it got a piece of house, piece of residential quarters, but most of it was like a works yard, you know. I'm still not say nothing to tell me say nothing residential. Could have been an entrance.
Yeah, man.
May I go back up there? I'll check and see if it look like step there or nothing like that.
Yeah, man.
Easy, man.
It's supposed to be an entrance. So then transport them.
Could have been an entrance, yeah, because that one hole in here right there, so, you know. Yeah. And them just come up there, so that because it then near the gully too, the gully down there, so it's easy to make them tunnel at them place, yeah. So now go back up there, go look.
So you hear me I say no? The land there, the general up the Sorrow Pan.
That was the plantation, yeah. Go right back out to road, go right back.
Yeah, so
you
the
see me?
plantation
Them arrive down here, so and then they go up, so the windmill was to generate power and to generate the water up on the farm, is it? So this was a hole in area. That are the only thing, because this no build like a house. This build strategic, the wall them thick. You see me?
Yeah. And a good building, it's a stone building.
Stone. All them big pieces of steel they could be all sitting where they use and cover all the whole are sitting here. Cover the entrance.
Yeah.
Could be. Now look back in there and see. Oh, I see if I try to see if I get no echo. There guys, so now look if nothing like no step would have done this. This dump up, you know. This dump up, you know. This is no water, you know. This look like this was the entrance. Or it could have been the hole in here too, you know. I don't know. I swear. I don't know why one hole would have in the middle of the house. Can it? Oh. I don't know why one hole would have there in the middle of the house, or what would have been the reason for that. I can't say for sure if there was a step leading down there, as you all notice. Really can't say for certain, but them dump it up. Yeah. So this most likely was a hole in it. A works yard where them would have called it back in the days. And then because this thing overgrown now, peeps, because this would have been here from the start. Peeps, from the looks of this, we see it old, really old. Alright? I don't know the reason why the hole in the middle of the floor. Could have been a hole in here, could have been an entrance to a tunnel to get up to the windmill or down to the next tunnel, to the next tower. Alright, I'm not sure what this building was. It certainly was not a house. Could have been a hole in here. Certainly was not a house. And this was here because if this was actually a works yard or a hole in here, this would have been here. This would have timed exactly to the looks of it. Because this would have been here since this would have been here since the start of slavery. You understand? So it would have had the looks that it have right now. You see it? So I don't know, guys. I'm gonna see if I can get information and have you all get that. Alright? Yeah, man. Another way that them correspond for real. Because that are the connection. Them come up here so.
Tower to tower.
And that's why.
So when I say seaside, them take them, you know.
Yes.
Road, a seaside.
Seaside.
So from the tower there
To that tower
to
there.
the tower, yeah.
Alright.
Underneath.
Yes.
So you
You see
can't
me?
know where you come from. Away.
And then you leave from down there and you come up at the windmill there, up at the tower up there, so you go up on the farm, the workers.
Yeah.
You see me? So guys, that's why the place we found in Top Hill, that's why it's so old. We couldn't find out how old it is. And that's why the one at Gabron also old. And we just realize why they were here from the start of slavery, or even before the start, because maybe them build them place in preparation for when them buy slaves. You know, so that's why them building are so old. You know? Yeah, man. So guys, we on our way out of this place, and this was another great video. Yeah, man. For real. Down there, so where I come from, you know. Down the gully, you know.
The slave have to come up and down. The area.
Every day, them have to come up and down the hill. And any load of them up on them back, them have to bring it. And even for the tunnel, them have to take underground from down there, so to go on a tower around there, so I still hill them have to climb under the tunnel. Them still have to go up, you understand? Yo. Give you guys another look at the towers before we leave. Yeah, man, if you look inside, you see saying at the mig light did. See him like down there side, dumping. You see me? One hole there in a mig light, you see me? Yeah.
So this was the entrance.
You see the type of block where them use and build it, now call it block. A stone them cut, you know. Cut stone them, you know. You see me? That's why I say how them a build before slavery. It build.
So neat.
It build in preparation for slavery, you know. So them bring them own a stone mason to build them, you know. You see me? I feel like this really for them time them use and do this. You see me? This not hurry come up. You understand? That not hurry come up, yo. You see me? Them are original cut stone from that era there. Them go to bring them up on ship to that, me I tell you. You see it? You know how far them stone are come from? You come here, sir? Because of them in another area neither, you know. Yeah, one hole in the mig light. Guys, when I look on the type of construction of them people there, though. You see that? Clean. From them time there till now.
You say something that look like brick to us before I go to
Neat.
this look like brick, you know.
I tell you.
Oh, man, this bomb cloth here.
Bake them, man.
Brick.
Bake them, some of them on a stone, now some of them bake, man. Watch ya. This, you know, look on this. Some of them bake.
What do you mean bake?
Same like how them bake brick, yo. Them make them. Same like how them do the pyramid, yo. Them build them on spot.
Yeah.
With limestone and one bag of thing mix up, you see me? The same thing where them use like concrete in the mig light. The same thing them use and build the block them. Or them grind the stone or them do something to it, but the material them use, the whole of them are not the same thing, is it? Strange. For some reason, them place here, the doorway them, it just look like the place them come under attack one at a time. You know, like somebody that fire off for every one of the doorway them. Wouldn't surprise if you find cannonball, yo. The whole of the doorway them mash up. All the one down from them building there. The doorway them mash up. Beside side them, like all the arch, yeah. You see it still?
Yeah.
You see it from that side there. Yeah. You say I light a fire.
Yeah, the can't let and not make it close to the ancestors there.
True.
Yeah. Me ain't walk with no rum, cause me ain't know so these things here on us so big and powerful.
In the community.
Yeah, and the energy.
The energy where they are normal. I tell you, you know, man. And that energy them I tell me, I always at the same time I reach some place.
Yeah, man.
The energy.
No, normal.
I can't tell nobody about that. Them have to go to really feel that energy there. You see me? It's like you're not ready to leave. You know? Like it is there. That for happen. You see me? National treasure. And that one is huge, you know, that one is big, you know. Because you have one upper thing there, you know, must say, must say One Love Land or something like so, upper Spring Garden. That one is not big yet. And no fight drop down. No fight drop down too, and it's still intact. Clean condition waiting on. Now I tell you, so that thing look like it gets some lick on the construction itself, yo. Like so.
Over the years, the things start these years.
Well,
I'm gonna say it's all in them.
it's all, man.
When you ask me, all you think, this. People say, I'll think ship out right there.
Mhm.
I will drop them anytime.
Anytime soon. Don't put yourself at risk, you know. Breeze a blow.
Gravity pulls you straight down.
Bro, we never know such a big building down there. What a stone, man. It's like it was a hole in here where they hold them.
Yeah, this here where the building was.
Yeah. Look out that base stone like. No,
Blessings, peeps, and thanks for joining again. I hope you found this video interesting or informative. If so, please do remember you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking the red subscribe button, alright, and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Now, after doing this video, guys, I got information about where the Great House is and where the cemetery is at the Great House. So there are dates on the graves leading us as to the exact time period that those buildings were made. Alright, so check out part 2 as soon as it comes. Y'all stay blessed now.